How to use resume.io. Welcome everyone to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can work and use resume.io. Here is a resume maker with AI technology, of course. It helps you create your own resumes and cover letters. As you can see here, a lot of companies work with it and reviewed by the community. It has a 4.5 out of 5 on Trustpilot. Of course, that is a very high rating. The features designed to help you in easy online resume builder, automatic spell checker, your data is safe, of course, automatic summary generator, approved templates, AI pre-written phrases, and optimized resumes, multi-format resume options, and cover letters. Here, the use of the best resume maker, of course. As you can see here, there are some templates. We are going to showcase them. Here is a professional looking like template. Here is a simpler and a basic template. There is a lot of templates. There are templates that can be downloaded on PDF and some on Docs, that means Microsoft Office Word. Here, back to our templates, there is a lot of templates that you can use, and you can use them as much as you want. For example, let's use this template. Here you have to connect your social profile. You can skip it. Here I will put my first name and last name to have a temporary account. Here I put my email. I have that presets on my navigator. Here is a window to help you create and start your resume. Here I will skip it for this moment. I will confirm. Here, back to business. The wanted job title. For me, I will choose a photographer. Here it had put my name, my last name, and my email. For here, the professional summary, it will generate a great summary for you. You can choose and put one of them. Here you can edit it, of course. For here wedding, I will not put it. I will put street photographer. And you can, as you can see, there is a lot of details. It was chosen by AI, of course, bringing forth superior photography skills, knowledge of various photographic styles, adding editing expertise, and excellent customer service skill. The employment history here with the job title, start and end. Let's put here, let's make some to see how it will show on the actual resume. The job title, I will be a store photographer. The employer is, of course, Jack Smith Clothing. The city, I will put New York. Here, as you can see, it is showing details on the summary itself. Here, the AI pre-written phrases. Of course, you have to choose one of them. And here I can see some interesting phrases. I can put one or just put them all here. This is the most popular phrases. Yes, and there is also a phrases for merchandiser, retail associate, senior store manager, and more. You can choose whatever you want. Here we have our resume. As you can see, it is very professional. We'll go back to the editor and finish something else. Here are the skills. I will choose some skills to add. As you can see at the side of the resume, it is shown my skills here. And for the languages I will put let's say English. My level is native. I will add one more language like French. My level will be highly proficient. As you can see here, it is showing like this. Here we can generate a cover letter by clicking on generate. For me, I will click it. Here, as you can see, you will put the company name that you are interested in, and it will generate a adequate cover letter for it, because each company has its own cover letter. Here, when you finish, we click download PDF. Then we can, of course, to download your PDF you have to pay the subscription. It's very worth it, guys. Believe me on that. You have 7-day trial subscription, unlimited PDF downloads, unlimited resumes, unlimited cover letters, and you can cancel any time you want. Here, 45.95 per 6 months, and you can upgrade and download. And there is a feature that I see as a very interesting feature, which is your resume will be criticized by an actual HR expert. And this is for when you upgrade your plan from the Watcher to this subscription. Here it is mentioned free resume critique from an HR expert. This is for the 3 packs, 7 days or 6 months or 12 months. Here I will finish my video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.